Hey guys, welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. So if I don't end up posting the first video on, we'll just start off with this one. So the cool thing about New Hampshire is wherever you go, there's always cool shit. So we're at the Chesterfield Gorge, which is pretty cool. There's a bridge over there. See? What? Huh. Is that the one you found up over the
Yeah. Well, I'm turn it. I'm trying to like paying it for well.
What? Woo! It is brisk out. How about that, huh?
Alright, gonna go for a swim?
What?
Gonna go for a swim?
Alright guys, I guess we'll see you later then. What do you think? We're still in New York?
Alright. Bet I could jump across.
Yeah, I don't think so. Alright guys, we will see you later.